There are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Today we are discussing the other 4 parts. They are adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So let's get started. Adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. An adverb tells more about how the verb is being done. Example, he does his work neatly. Here, neatly is used as an adverb which shows how the work is being done. Preposition. A preposition is used before a noun or a pronoun indicating the relation of that substantive to other part of the sentence. Words like on, at, into, by, etc. are all prepositions. Example, the witch is sitting on the pumpkin. Here, on is used as a preposition. Next is conjunction. A conjunction is a part of speech that is used as a joiner for the words, phrases, or clauses. Words like and, or, but, etc. are all conjunctions. Example, Rahul and Soham are playing in the park. Here, and is used as a joining word or conjunction. The next is interjection. An interjection is a part of speech which is used to show a short, sudden expression of emotions. Interjections are short exclamations like oh, oops, etc. They often stand alone, unconnected to a sentence. Example, oh, wow, that's so cool. Here, oh is used as an interjection. There are different types of adverbs, prepositions, and conjunctions, which we will discuss in the future videos. So stay tuned and please subscribe this channel.